Hi friends, welcome to Shreya's cooking channel. Today let's see how to make avocado and banana milkshake. For this recipe, I've taken one medium-sized avocado, one medium-sized banana, 1.5 cups of milk. If it's a large banana, we can add 2 cups of milk, 1 teaspoon almond powder. This is optional. It's a very easy recipe. All we have to do is add all ingredients to the blender and blend it until it's smooth. I didn't add any sugar to this milkshake. If you want, you can add a teaspoon of sugar or honey. As we all know, avocado is very good for health. So try this avocado and banana milkshake and send your comments. Also subscribe to Shreya's cooking channel. Thank you for watching.